Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to share what came in today, a 1947 Buick Series 41 Special, created by Iceman Collections. This is number one of 24. Thank you, man, for getting this to me. This is a limited edition piece. He had something going on Instagram. He was producing these limited edition, and to get your hands on them, you had to hit him up. Put you on the list, and it was I would say like a raffle style thing. You get selected, and you can have the opportunity to purchase one, and I got to be one of the guys that was on the list, but on the backup. And then if you don't want to get it, then the people who are the backup follow through. So I ended up following through with mine, and let's go right ahead and open it up. Let's check this out. Dang, look right here, firsthand. This is pretty neat. I love this packaging right here. Over here we have some. Let's see, what is this? Some instructions. Oh, here we are. Here we go. So, recommended prep: wash all parts with water and liquid detergent. Do not soak. Let air dry. Away from direct sunlight. Sand, and you guys see it right there. So that's pretty dope. That's cool. I like that he included that in there. Let's get this out of the way, and let's open this up. Let's check it out. Oh, imagine, I don't want to drop it. Ooh, we also hooked this up with a sticker right there. You get the sticker out. Put that right there. Let's see how I can do this with one hand. Hopefully I don't mess things up. But let's see here. Ooh, we got some tires right here. These are nice. Look at that right there. And here, I'm gonna turn this off real quick to get it out. All right, we're back. So it's already out. Check this out. Look how dope that looks. And I started to see the images and solicitation he was doing for this piece, and it grew on me, man. Like, the more I would look at this, the more I was like, man, this is different. These aren't in the market, how you can say, like, mass produced. So I always like different things, limited edition stuff. So this was definitely something that I was like, I need to get my hands on. If I don't, I know I'm gonna regret it. And right now he's been printing a lot of different kits, a lot of different things that he's putting together. Let me see, let me lift up this body, because there's all this stuff that it comes with. You got the bumpers, the grill, and then, man, I gotta open that up again now. Hold on real quick, guys. I'll be right back. All out now here. And so this is all the stuff it comes in. The interior tub. We also got the bench seats, the dash, and the visor for the top, the front, the Cadillac caps for the wheels, front grill, the bumpers, and then we also got all these like neat little pieces here as well, some little accessories for the vehicle, and the tires that we had mentioned earlier, and there's the body right here. Let's get some close-ups right here. I just love the way those headlights pop out, like French headlights. It looks so dope. But yeah, keep an eye out. IcemanCollections.com. Make sure you check him out on Instagram. I mean, that's the source where the platform where he's constantly letting everybody know what he's coming out with. There's a lot of stuff down the pipeline. I'm just happy I got my hands on this, and hopefully get this prep so you guys kind of see. This is my first 3D printed body and kit that I've ever purchased, so I'm very curious as to what goes into the bodywork prep. I'm gonna go ahead and follow along these instructions here that he laid out. I'm gonna follow these, and it's gonna look neat once I get some primer on this. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.